I've said before that a lot of the easy math module comes down to just reading graphs. And usually that's all kind of top heavy at the beginning of the section where it literally is just like, okay, what's the coordinates of this point? But this question is also really just reading the graph. It's an inequality, but hopefully you've seen this before where like a part of a graph is shaded, right? And so that's what we mean when we say a solution to an inequality. It's that shaded region. If we had two inequalities and they were overlapping, then we would care about where the two shaded regions are overlapping. But we only have one here. So we're just going to kind of plot these points and see which one falls in that shaded region. So let's just go in order. -5, -6, -5, -6 is right down here. So that's point A. It's not shaded, gone. -2, -5 is right here. So that's point B, not shaded, gone. 1, 4. So 1 and then 4 is up here, C, and not in the shaded region. So that's gone. And then 6, -2 is right here in the shaded region. And so there you go. Proof that D is right. I do think, though, that a little bit of a trap, let's see if I can show it to you. A little bit of a trap is if we are reading some of these wrong, then something like choice C might feel right. Because if we flipped this and we read it wrong as 4, 1, right? If we confused X's and Y's, 4, 1 is right here. That would be a trap, and that is shaded. So some people who misread the graph and get their X and Y's confused are going to get to see that it works and never even tried D. And I guess if we did D wrong, it also wouldn't work. So there's definitely a chance for a mistake. I think that that's what they're hoping happens. But if as long as you master the difference between X's and Y's and reading graphs, you are going to get a lot of stuff right with no problems in this easy module. So we want to get out of the easy module, but if you find yourself in it, just please, please, please make sure you read graphs correctly, and at least half the questions you're going to get right kind of just from that.